So am I a lying, scamming, son of a bitch, narcissistic, course selling guru? Well, I mean, if you look at my YouTube comments, they would insist that that's exactly what I am. And so I want to clear the air here. I want to clear the air for all of you watching this video to make sure it's very clear my intentions with my YouTube channel. I will admit, I do have something to sell you, except just not most of you. For 99% of you that watch my videos, I have nothing to sell you. You literally cannot buy anything from me because you don't even qualify to buy it. And so you just keep watching and just get as much value as you can. As a matter of fact, one of my main goals, if not my main goal with my YouTube channel, is just to inspire people. You can go look back. I've had a YouTube channel for over 8 years now. Back in the day, I used to post random edits of like Clash Royale stuff and me playing hockey. My goal was just to have fun and inspire people. That's all my goal ever was, and it will continue to be my goal, and to educate. And as I learn more things, maybe the way I inspire people changes like it has now with more business content. My goal is just to help you out. For the 1% of you that meet the requirements of my offer, for those of you, yeah, I got something to sell you. Okay, and if you don't want to buy, that's not a problem at all. Keep getting value. Because once again, my biggest goal is just to give value. My biggest goal is to build a network. My biggest goal is to make sure that you guys truly like me, and I can only do it if I actually help you guys out. Because guess what? In 20, 30 years from now, I want to have a group of guys around me who are absolute savages. And I can't do that by giving away shitty advice on YouTube and selling shitty things, which is why I don't sell the course. As a matter of fact, for those of you who say that, you can literally get access. I mean this. Get access to everything. All my scripts, all my SOPs, all my trainings, all my mural boards, all my even free course I've made, everything I've ever used in all of my agencies, any asset, any Google Doc, any whatever I've ever made, ever, okay, for free inside my Discord. There's no opt-in. You can go on my Discord. There's not an opt-in there. There's no opt-in to claim the resources. It's entirely free. All of that stuff is entirely free. And that's like, I haven't gatekept a single thing. All the stuff I used to give to all my paying clients, you guys all have access to now. So if that makes me a lying, scamming guru, then I guess that's what I am. But I want to clear the air and let you know that that is my intention with YouTube. That is my goal here. Okay? And that is also what I'm trying to do. And so for those of you who don't meet the requirements to join my inner circle or even my one-on-one mentoring, that's fine. Not a problem at all. I'm still going to make sure I show up every single day here and give you as much value as possible. Heck, I've even shared some of my inner circle recordings on this YouTube channel. Why? Because I'm not afraid to share that stuff. Because I know that that's not where the real value lies. Okay? And so I'm more than happy to share everything. I don't gatekeep a single thing. I share it all with you guys because I want to help you out. And for those of you who still want to come in here and say, Stefan, screw you, by all means, man. If you have nothing better to do with your day than sit here and make fun of me for trying to live a life with purpose and help other people out, then hey man, I understand there must be some things going wrong in your life, and I pray for you and I hope that things go well in your life. But for the rest of you who can think, I want to clear the air and let you know my intentions, so you know if I'm a lying piece of shit that you should never watch again, or if I'm someone that you may kind of respect and get some value from. Which leads me to one last thing. I want to make content about what you guys want. Like, I want to make content what you guys want to help you out. And so if you're not already in my free Discord, you can join, so you can talk to me. I answer in there. I literally can talk to you. If you don't see already, I answer every single YouTube comment. If you comment on my YouTube video, I will reply. I reply to every single person. Like, I have no problem talking to the people that interact with me. I love it. Okay, I remember once when I was a young kid, I would comment on big YouTubers' accounts. I was like, man, I wish they would just talk to me. I made a promise to myself saying if I ever got big, which I'm not big, but I have a couple thousand subs, I would make sure that every person that interacted with me and gave their time to me, I would react back to and engage with. So what I'm asking of you is, if there's a certain type of content you want to see, certain type of videos, certain type of whatever the case may be, comment it below or DM me in Discord, let me know, because I want to make content around what you want, therefore I can help you more. Okay? So that is that. I guess if you think that I'm some stupid lying guru who's trying to sell you a course, then that's your opinion. But I want to clear the air so you know my true intentions. Be honest with you that yes, of course I post YouTube videos to sell something, but for 99% of you, I have nothing to sell you. And so you can keep living peace-free knowing that you can never buy anything from me. And even if you try to buy something from me, I will disqualify you because I do not want to. Because I do not sell people that I cannot help or that I do not have belief in. Because I don't want to deal with shitty, crappy clients, because that's the worst thing in the world. Trust me. And so for those of you, I will just continue to help you out until you've got good enough for my free resources to then join. Okay? So that is that. I want to clear the air so you all know the truth about me. Okay, the truth about me being a big scammer. And yeah, if you have any questions, like I said, you can comment them down below. I'm an open book. I'm more than happy to answer anything. For the rest of this, let's get back to work, right? We don't need to be sitting here watching YouTube videos for the rest of the day. We can get back to work and do something with ourselves. I've got stuff to do. Let me give you an insight into my day. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 calls back to back to back to back to back, starting in 7 minutes here. So I'm going to go mentally prepare for that. And you go mentally prepare for what it is that you need to do. But go crush it, bro. You owe it to yourself to be great. And if you don't owe it to yourself, remember what I always say. If you don't owe it to yourself, you owe it to your mom, to your dad, to your brother, to your sister, to your cousins, to your uncle, to your auntie, to your grandma, to your grandpa, to your future wife and kids, to your past self, to your future self. So if you're not going to do it for yourself, do it for all of them, because they sure as hell deserve it. Peace.